So our first association with HP was 10 years ago when we bought our first digital press, 3550. I must say we got tremendous support from them because we were a little wary because that was our first move to digital. So we had a lot of questions, innovations, but they've really handheld, took us to a stage where we needed more capacity, we needed faster turnaround time, and therefore the 12,000 decision to buy the HP 12,000 came 5 years down the line, where they bought back our old machine and gave us the 12,000, and tremendous support. So it's really a partnership. It's not just buying the machine and it's over. And I'm sure going forward, we'll strengthen this even further. So hello, my name is Shabir Muchala. I'm the Managing Director of Silver Point. So honestly, feel very proud about most of the work we do because we do challenging work, highly innovative. So it's a true pleasure to see the final print, which I get to see mostly all of the jobs that churn out of our press. So see what we enjoy, and I think now as a culture, our entire team, we get involved with the job from the early stages of design. So in a lot of the inputs that come out from our team is actually utilized in the final print product. So sometimes you have a before and an after. Had we done it the way it was handed over to us, this is the value addition we've done. We see the difference, the client sees the difference, and that is what differentiates us from the other printers. HP plays a big role in allowing us to do a lot more things that we could not do in basic commercial printing.
Silver Point and HP partnership, I think, will go a long way. Basically, we see HP as a technology solution provider, and HP keep innovating in terms of their the way they innovate, and they bring out new technology, new machines. They keep on innovating in terms of the speed of the machine, in terms of what capabilities of the machines can do, and it's every time we go to Drupa or any trade exhibition, we see something new what HP has brought in.
So I'd like to start off by saying that our partnership with HP has been an extremely fruitful one for several reasons. Having started a web-to-print portal recently, close to 3 years ago now, we are able to do things that we were not able to do initially without a digital printing machine. So the idea for Print Nation was very much, a collective decision from, our management team. We saw that a lot of our existing clients were placing orders that at some times were repeat orders, and it took up a lot of time. It took up a lot of administrative time, which from an economics standpoint is an indirect cost to both parties. And we found that there are ways to make this much easier for our clients. So we explored this idea while on an exhibition overseas. And we had heard of web-to-print before, but we weren't quite sure how ready the Indian market was for a service like this. But over time, we, after having some discussions and having done some groundwork of our own, we felt more confident to move in that direction, largely with the goal to help our customers place orders far more easily, and to reduce the pain in having to send PDF files back and forth and to waste time making phone calls and things like that.
One of the key milestone which we could achieve using HP Indigo technology in terms of the utilizing the powerfulness of the print engine is basically very quick turnaround time, wherein today Silverpoint is known to turn around the jobs very quickly. Also because of us having the entire bindery facility like foiling, PUR binding, hard case binding, foil stamping, everything in house. So we quickly print on our Indigo machine and then turn around the printed sheet into a product and deliver it to the client, and this can be, we do it overnight. The biggest second key milestone what we could achieve is basically using a very different kind of medias like metallic medias, PVC, polyester medias, which are otherwise very difficult and time consuming to print on an offset, and those medias we are using and printing it on Indigo machine and turning it out very quickly, very fast. This has given us a very good edge. Also with digital technology and having a web to print model in place, Print Nation, we are now able to turn around the job, give client the deadlines which are very difficult. Means the shipments are mostly done the same day. The order is placed online and the same day evening the product is printed, bound and dispatched. So that way it has given us a huge advantage in terms of achieving this milestone.
We as a company, 40 years down the line, have been adapting to new technology, always been a step ahead. We want to make it more technologically driven, so in terms of our systems, our ease of work, and we'll keep going forward, look at what the new trends are, study that and keep investing in that. So we will still continue catering to the niche, high quality, extremely high quality, challenging work.